did get a new camera. A review will be out soon. But today is the beginning of my birthday Miami trip. No? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? But, so basically I'm going to take you along my whole get ready with me for Miami. And then I'll have a whole separate video of the vlogs for Miami. So, let's just get it started. I'm about to go to my cousin's house because I need to blow a bed because when they get back, we hanging in Philly. So, yeah. What is up, guys? It's day 2. You feel me? 2. So, no, okay. So today is a new day. And today, what I have to do is my friend's hair. So, because, you know, I do hair out here, okay, sometimes for my friends. But, so basically she's about to come over and I'm about to do faux locks, so you'll probably see a little bit of that. And yeah, I took my wig off if you haven't noticed, but I'm about to put it back on tomorrow. You'll see that. It's a process. Let's just go with the flow, you feel me? She just texted me that she's on her way. So you're going to see her, you're going to see me, you're going to see me doing her hair, and you're going to see her getting her hair done. You feel me? But yeah, let's get into it. Because low-key, I need to get some nair because my legs need to be glistening for this Miami vacation. And that's on what? Period.
Takes time. Now there's Dawn Power.
Yeah. Yeah. I am weak. Okay. She is here. The lovely Alana is here. He won't.
What's up, dog?
Let's talk about it.
Oh,
Let's all get together.
that's
Let's, you know,
nice.
if you have a family member,
This your Netflix?
and we have so much
Oh my
stuff with family
God!
members. You don't want to get vaccinated. We don't scream and yell at them and
Yeah.
make them
This
feel
is
like
the
they're
before.
evil. We asked them.
This
okay,
was
what's
more
your
blown
hesitation
out,
here?
but my hair shrunk
We gotta
back up.
make,
Love to see it.
not get in our separate
Let's get
corners
it.
and
Let's get a
angry
closer
at
look
each
here.
other.
Let's get a closer look here.
Like it's really thick.
It is. It grew a lot.
It came a long way.
Period. Okay, so this is the before, y'all.
But we've got to
Boom.
get more people vaccinated. That's why.
So we're recording, this is part 86 of Naomi's vlog. I'm trying to angle it. Stop, you're not that cute. Yes, I'm getting faux locks for the first time, so she better get me right. I'm gonna run out here and not pay her.
Oh my god.
And my lips are crusty, so don't judge me.
Oh lordy.
So I'm just letting all the girls know that we're going to Miami. And I just can't wait to be my other self out there. Like, I'm gonna see the boys. I'm gonna be like all of it. Like,
Yeah.
I'll be back. Her father's coming. So I'm back again. Her dog is acting up once again. I don't know if you can see the little rascal, but he's acting up once again. You will be seeing me a lot because when school's back in session, this beautiful face will be on your screen more often.
No facts.
You heard the woman. She said facts. We're watching Moesha. I'm putting her on because she's a little uncultured. And so I made it my job since freshman year of college to culture her.
Yeah, I don't think vlogging is for you.
I don't think you have an opinion to say who can vlog.
This is my channel.
I don't care. This is
Okay.
probably all getting cut out.
It probably won't.
On that note, I'm going.
What is up, guys? So basically I finished her hair, but y'all will see it tomorrow because she had to go and it was getting late. So you'll definitely see that tomorrow. She's sleeping over tomorrow because we both are going on the same flight to Miami. So yeah, we have an early flight. It's at like 7:30 or something. But I'm tired. My back hurts. My feet hurt. Everything hurt. Like, I'm about to just eat this delicious Chick-fil-A cookie and go to sleep. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. But good night. Okay, so I finished my wig. I usually put it in a bag to deep condition it for like 30 minutes and then let it air dry because I can't really blow dry it. It's like curly hair. I mean, I could blow dry the lace to speed it up, but I'm not getting my hair braided till tonight, so might as well. So now I'm about to go pack real quick, and then I'm gonna shower and wash my hair. So let's do that. I'm tired just looking at my luggage. Like, I do not feel like packing. I hate packing. But so you can obviously see I like packed a little bit. Hopefully I can fit everything in a small bag. We're gonna see. I might need to take this purse out because I can low-key have that on me. But I like putting my sneakers on the top because if you think about it, it's gonna be vertical. And when it's vertical, everything's gonna put weight on it, and I don't want deformed shoes, so I usually like to put it at the top. I put it in like a satin bag, so hopefully everything fits. And I have this big hat, and I don't know how this is gonna fit in here, so I might just wear it at the airport. Everybody gonna be looking at me crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna figure it out. But I'm going to definitely try to make this fit. Maybe I can lay it this way so it's like flat on top. Okay, so I put my 2 club dresses, my birthday dress, and an extra club dress just in case. Not club, but like, yeah, club. And then I have a white top because for my brunch, I'm doing like a white shirt, jean, everybody matching type look. And then, yeah, so, and then I have a hat. This is my, once I'm out of my airport fit, I'm going to put this fit on. Y'all will see that. It's low-key kind of cute, for real. I'm not going to hold you, but, you know, I'm going to be looking fly in Miami. Period. There's no other way. You know what I'm saying? No other way. Okay, so this is my bathing suit. I'm about to put that joint in. What else? I have some jeans. Sorry, I have my bag of clothes. I just washed everything before I go. Okay, so I found my lip gloss, my lipstick. So I'm about to add those in there. I'm gonna keep my lip liner out because that's part of my like everyday look. I put this with like a gloss. Oh yeah, go shop K Carey Beauty. I'm gonna link the thing down below. Her lip glosses are so moisturizing, bro. Impeccable. Whatever she put in it is definitely love. And it smells good. It smells like bubbles. But yeah. So get into it. I'm about to put these flip-flops. I was like, these remind me of Lizzie McGuire. You know how she had those like pink flip-flop wedge things? I was like, it gives me those vibes. So I got these on Fashion Nova, and they're super duper comfortable, and they go with the look for my bathing suit. So yeah, I'm about to put these in there. Okay, so I would put my hair product in there now, but obviously I can't do that because I still have to do my hair. So I'm gonna put that in later. But I'm about to put in a 2-piece set I got from Fashion Nova, which is super cute. I was gonna save this for Jamaica, but like, I'm going to just bring it just in case, like, it's a pop-up thing, like something out of the blue we want to dress up for. Even though I brought another dress, I'm going to just bring this look just in case it's, like, more of the beachy side. So I'm definitely bringing this. I'm basically done packing, so I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing next. I'll let y'all know. Clips. Okay, so my mom's about to braid my hair for me because she does it better than me.
Back again, though.
Back at it again. But yeah, I'm not going to show you my final head shape because my head shape's weird. But just know it's getting braided. What is up, guys? So basically this whole vlog was skipped over. Forgive me, but it's my first vlog, so, you know, bear with a sister.
Put some lashes on me.
So anyways, I'm about to finish putting these lashes on. I finished my hair, and we about to go to Miami. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel...
Wait, we need a mic. I'm gonna just use the deodorant. Oh, not you taking a mic.
I feel liberated. I feel like this is my time to shine, to shut the internet down. It's been a while. We've been locked in the house for a while.
Yeah, long time.
Time to be outside.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You heard what I said.
Okay, the real host is taking over. Anyways, we'll see you in Miami.
She
This
thinks
is the end
she's
of
the
vlog.
main character,
Make
but
sure
she's not.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell because you know sharing is caring.
Sharing is not caring. Actually, subscribe to my YouTube channel that's coming
Anyways.
in 2035.
She said 35, y'all. It's okay. But yeah, peace.
She can do it all, a real life.